Supply chain issues have many Americans expecting to deliver Christmas gifts late. So Anita Vogel and the Fox Investigative Unit spoke with a supply chain expert, lawmakers, and a small business owner about just what issues are driving the crisis.
One of the components that's become hardest to find, aside from the chips that make a computer work, are computer screens themselves.
20 to 30% of my repairs are screens, which is LCD panels.
Arthur Zilberman owns LaptopMD, a computer repair shop in New York City. He's managed to stay in business despite the challenges of the pandemic and the fact that those screens are almost exclusively manufactured in Asia.
I pay 10 times more for the shipping than I pay for the component itself. I have to buy parts in China. Small people like me cannot hang on any longer.
The pandemic was a wake-up call that not only tested our supply chains, but showed us that it is just not responsible to be overly dependent on China for stuff that is critical to our economic and national security.
Farlacus says there may be a silver lining to all of this if we learn from the crisis.
Anita Vogel reporting that. Anita, many thanks.